In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Butler for Trello. Butler is one of Trello's most powerful features, and it helps automate repetitive tasks so you can save time and focus on what really matters. Whether you're managing your personal to-do list or leading a team project, Butler can take care of routine work for you. Let's get started step by step. First, go to Trello.com and sign in. Once you're on your dashboard, open the board where you want to set up automation. At the top, you'll see the Automation button. Click on it. Here, you'll find three main options: Rules, Buttons, and Automations. In this tutorial, we're going to focus on rules. Think of rules like, if this happens, then do that. They're perfect for repetitive tasks you don't want to do manually. Click on the Rules option, and now let's create one together. Start by adding a trigger. Click on Add Trigger, and you'll see different categories to choose from. For this example, we'll select the Dates category, which is linked to the due dates of your cards. We'll set the trigger to activate when the due date is marked as complete. This means whenever a task is checked off as done, our rule will automatically run. Also, set it so that this can be triggered by anyone on your team, not just you. Next, we need to add an action. Click on the Add Action button and choose Move. This tells Butler to move the card to a specific list when the trigger happens. For example, you can set it to move completed tasks into a list called Done or Completed. Just type the name of the list you want. Once you've chosen your trigger and your action, click Save. That's it. Your first automation rule is ready. Now, every time someone marks a due date as complete, Butler will automatically move the card to your chosen list. That's how easy it is to start using Butler in Trello. Once you get the hang of it, you can create more advanced rules to fit your workflow and save even more time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.